Welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This is a new boat here for stock. It's in the light blue with the chrome graphics. This boat's going to come included with the galvanized swing tongue trailer. You see it on here. It's a pretty well optioned boat. Here we've done the bimini top up top with the blue canvas. We've also got the blue canvas console cover to match. We've done the full cushion package on this boat, so you're going to have cushions up here at the bow. On top of your igloo cooler, you've got a backrest with some rod holders in here. The other notable feature on this boat is we've done the split bow rail up at the front here. Nice place to grab onto, nice safe feeling up at the front. Coming further back here on the starboard side, you're gonna have some dedicated tackle storage on this boat. Nice place to put some of your items in there. Fire extinguisher mount as well. We've optioned this one with the Simrad NSX screen. It's also got the JL Audio stereo. So right out of the box, turnkey. You've got your analog gauge up there, and then switches for your lights and your bilge pump. This boat's gonna have a 4-position leaning post here. See, we've got it in the seating position now. You can flip it forward with these notches here. Super easy operation. Got our gas tank, 12 gallons underneath your seat there. Very easy to fill it up. Plenty of room back here for fishing, hanging out. It's a great spot to be. At the very back of this boat, it's powered with a 60 horsepower command thrust Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Lots of power for this boat. We've got the Bigfoot prop on it here, so lots of torque, really fun boat to drive out on the water. Last but not least, over here on the other corner, we've got a 3-step telescoping ladder. Folds up and stows away nicely here. This is the Unsinkable Legends, one of the best boats that you can get on the water with, one of the safest boats in the world. It's an amazing ride, one of our favorites here at MarineMax. Come check it out today here at MarineMax Lake Norman. Stop by our showroom in Cornelius. Give us a call or check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.